This is the analytical instrumentation that we're going to be using to detect the pesticides and red tide toxin that's going to be separated by this filtration apparatus. So this is an HPLC mass spec. So what we do is we actually introduce the sample into this instrument, and it gives us a signal when we get a detection of that particular pesticide. So this is a typical chromatogram. This is a mass spec chromatogram where this axis is time and the axis going up is detected response. So each of these peaks represents a different toxin that is present in the red tide organism. So what we do is we actually purchase analytical standards from a vendor, and we run them on the instrument so that we can see what toxin gives what response for a given amount. We develop calibration curves based on these responses so that when we get an unknown, we can compare it to these known responses and quantitate what's present in our unknown. So what we're doing right now, we're in the process of getting the instrument set up, doing some of the method development, doing the calibration process so that we can quantify the amount of contaminant that would be in the sample when it arrives.